5 Best Refrigerators. The item number 5 is Famous Brand Mini Car Refrigerator. Brand name is Dimensions, LXWXH, Inches, cm. Style Cold Storage Refrigerator. Defrost Tight Frost Free. Energy Consumption Grade None. Depth, 55 cm. Number of doors Single door. Installation Portable. Height, 89 cm. The item number 4 is Insulated USB Mini Fridge Cooling Heating Refrigerator. Brand name Insulated. Dual function, cooling and heating. Built-in LED indicator, the working status is more intuitive. Does not require battery, USB interface power supply. With the closed door design, you can keep your drinks on the computer for a long enough time, and it is easy to carry. The item number 3 is Insulin Cooler Bag Portable Insulated Diabetic. Slim Body Portable. Slim body strong cooling. Enhanced cold storage more lasting. Minimalist cup body, privacy protection, safe and simply. Keep 5 degree under ambient 35 degree. Could store 1 pens and 4 pcs drugs. Keep the cup inside temperature 5 degree, 36 hours. The item number 2 is 7.5 liters mini portable 12 volts car refrigerator. This GBT 3010 mini portable fridge is great for those who enjoy eating at their desks, college dorm students, and drivers who enjoy cool drinks and snacks while on the road. No need for refrigerants, its low-noise motor works quietly and efficiently. It cools and warms by means of semiconductor devices. The item number 1 is 220 volts electric mini car refrigerator. Controlling mode mechanical timer control. Style cold storage refrigerator. Power consumption, kWh/24 hours, 0.40.6. Number of doors single door. Freezer capacity, 60 liters. Installation portable. Voltage, V, 220 volts. Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.